Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Elmer Fudd from Looney Tunes, trying to get that wascally rabbit. Wascally wabbit. All right, now usually Elmer Fudd has a gun that he carries, you know, because he's trying to shoot the rabbit, but in today's culture, I don't think that's a very good idea, Elmer, so we're just gonna make him kind of prowling around looking for a rabbit. All right, I got it all laid out. I know where it's going. So we're gonna start with a little S line like this, a little slight curve, line up, line down, okay, and then we're gonna do a little C here with a line in it, and another curvy line, another curvy line like that, and then it's gonna come out like that for his cheek and back up under his hat. And then we're gonna do his hat here, which is gonna be an S line like that. And then it's gonna come back. And we got a little line in the middle of that. Another kind of line here and here for where his hat comes in. He's got a big hat. And then another line here, comes up, around. And then we've got kind of another S line that kind of goes to there. Then we have the back of his hat that comes down here and back around. Then he's got kind of a tie on the top of his hat, so we see a loop there and a loop there. All right, so for his face, we're gonna draw a line coming down and another diagonal line coming back up. And then we're gonna draw a line down like that with a cheek line on it. Here's where his eye is. He does not look happy. And then another line coming down. All right, little cheek line, little circle for the nose, and it's got a little thing in there. And then we've got a line here, a line like that, a line coming down and up, and there's his tongue. And we got another line over there for his mouth. And there is his face. Maybe with some hair here, I'm not sure what that is. Okay, now for his body, we're gonna start with his collar, little curvy line, V, and then we're gonna do, what's that look like? Kind of a backwards number 3, yeah. And then here's his arm, it's gonna come around. And then here is his wrist, like that. And then we're gonna take and make a line like so, and around. And then we're gonna do a line like this, and back. We're almost there, you're doing a good job. Around, like that, and another little line like that. And there is his hand. And then his jacket just kind of comes back like so. Then right here, we have his belly, and that's just gonna come around like that. And then we have a little V here, and it comes down, back out like so. And then we have a line coming across, back up. And you don't really see much of this side of his jacket because his body's in the way. So then for his hand, we come up, and then we have his thumb like that. And then we have his finger that comes around. We have another finger that comes down. And then here's his little pinky. And we'll just line that back up. All right, now we got 2 hands. Looking good. Okay, so here's his pants. We'll line like that, and they come across, come back up. Here's his little Elmer Fudd butt. And then here's his other leg back here. Here's his foot, like that. And then his other foot is up here, comes around. Here's his toe, back and up. And then he's got like some stitching or something if he's got like moccasins on or something. I'm not sure what kind of shoes. And there we have it, Art Maniacs, Elmer Fudd. He looks great. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.